Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use your static files in Django. Before going any further, I want to tell you, if you haven't watched our previous Django videos, then guys please make sure to watch that video. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, let's see what is a static file. If you want to use CSS, JavaScript and image, then you have to use it as a static file. In Django, CSS, JavaScript and images are a static file, and this HTML files are templates. Now first of all, we have to create the static folder in app. Now we have to go to settings.py. We have to you scroll down, and in the bottom of this, here we have to write this static dirs. Now you just click that bracket, then here we have that base dir, then slash, then static, now comma. Now here we have to write var, then slash, then www, then slash, then static, then slash. Now in the end we have to put comma. Now guys, we have to create a, now we're going to create a CSS file in the static folder. We have to right click on this CSS folder, and now click on new file, and we're going to name this file style.css. Now click on enter. Then guys, now we have to go to index.html. Here we're going to cut this, and here we're going to write this simple HTML syntax, and here I'm going to type hello world. Now here we have to load static files. So for that, here we have to write this bracket, and then guys, now percentage, then load, then static, then again percentage. Now here after title we have to link CSS. Now in href, here we have to write curly bracket and percentage. Now static, then style dot css, then percentage, then in the end we have that curly bracket. Now here I'm going to type h1, then hello world. Now guys, here we can just style h1. So for that, here I'm going to change the color of h1. So I'm going to put black color, and I'm going to change the background of now I'm going to change the background. Background will be red, and now guys, if you refresh it, then guys, here you can see hello world. So guys, like this you can use CSS. So guys, now let's see how to use images in the static file. So for that, first of all, we have to put image in our static folder. Now guys, I'm going to paste this image over here. This is computer image. Now here we have to write index.html img. Then here in src we have to write curly bracket, then percentage, then static, then your image name, so computer.jpg. Now we have to type percentage, then curly bracket in the end. Then guys, now guys, if you go to this, then guys, if you refresh it, then guys, here you can see this. Now guys, I'm going to give width to this image. Width will be 50 px. Now let's see. Now first of all, so guys, again we have to run the server. Python manage.py run server. Now guys, here I'm going to go to Chrome. Now we have to write the IP address. And guys, here you can see this image. So guys, like this you can use JavaScript. So now that's it. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.